One of the main reasons I got the Super Duty is because we go camping. And when we go camping, we take these electric scooters with us. Me and my wife have one of these, and my kids have one of these. So two of those, two of those. This one goes about 40 miles an hour. This one goes about 28. And I needed a place and a way to tie them down. So some of you guys have maybe already seen these RAD straps. I just want to kind of show how mine are set up, because mine might be a little bit different than some other people's. And RAD Strap is also running a Father's Day deal, so I figured I'd just promote that even though I'm not affiliated with RAD. They're a great company. The way mine is set up is I did the gold RAD deals. I did 2 RAD deals. With that, each RAD deal you're going to get 2 of these and 2 of these. So I wanted to add another hook plate on each side. So you can see mine's got an additional hook plate. You got to buy those separately. And then the way I did mine was I put the hook plate behind this main plate. I think it gives it a cleaner look. Rather than having this plate on top, you'd have a line here, have another line here. If you're not familiar with the RAD straps, they're just ratcheting retractable straps. They come out. You can go across the bed, you can cross over, go over your cargo, and link them back in like that. And then once you're done, you can ratchet them down. I would recommend these probably for light to medium duty. If you're going to do heavy duty use, I would recommend using these hooks on the side, or even the regular pockets from the factory, something like that. These do fit 2015 and newer F-Series trucks. If you've got the box link system, that's what they're going to fit. They do have some universal mounts, so I'm not exactly sure what those fit, but you could probably take a look on their website at radtruckstraps.com. They are running a Father's Day special. It's $25 off on the Blackout RAD deals, and you've got to use promo code RADDAD2024 at checkout. If this information was helpful to you, please subscribe and share, and that's to the point.